wow. Oh. Do you like it?
Yes.
Hi everyone. So this is my daughter's room, and as you can see, she had a string light. It's a basic string light with some buttons, and she keep asking me if she has a LED, the LED light for her room to make her room beautiful. So right now she's in school, and I want to have a surprise for her. So I'm gonna install a string light for her today. Let's go. Okay, the one that I'm using is the Lumary Smart Neon Drop Light. So it look cool. The packet come to me very sturdy, well packed. And now let's see what inside. Okay, we have manual. We have the power card. Okay, this look like a button to turn on or off here, and the power. Oh, it also have a remote. Okay, and they also give you the tape and the clip to put it on the wall. That's a good idea, convenient. And wow, okay. Oh wow, it's sturdy, more sturdy than I thought. Okay, I just plug it in the power, and I gotta press a button to see what's happening. Oh, it changed the color. Nice. Okay, it can change the color as you want. Oh, nice. I thought it's just one color only, but it's multiple colors. Yeah, if you put it on the shape that you want, maybe the heart or maybe the cloud or anything, it's gonna be very beautiful. Yes, look at this. It has so many modes for you to choose. My girls will absolutely love it. I just figured out this one can be controlled by the app as well, but because this one is for my kids, so I would rather for her to using the control by the button here rather than the phone. So I'm gonna show her how to change the mode by press a button here for whatever color or mode that she wants. Alright, so I think that's all for the manual things. Let's install it to the wall. Okay, so because the rod is kind of heavy, and I think it's hard to install, especially when you do it alone. So I would recommend you to put a shape for whatever you want. So right here I put the letter M and the heart here. So of course, and I got a mark. You see some red tape here. This is somewhere that I mark that I will need to put this on the wall. This is to help me indicate where I should curve the line. So this is my idea. So let's try. Okay, this is how it looked after I install it. Connect the power and press a button. There are several modes it can be. So this is just a basic mode. So I think I will need to try with some app, like customize on the app phone. So I need to see. But technically for her, with the power button like this one, like it should be good for her to change the light and color what she want. And for the phone, maybe not for her because she just like still young to have a phone to control it. So technically I think this is so awesome for her now, and this could be a surprise for her tonight. Okay, come here, I have a surprise for you. Go to your bed. I have something that I think you has been asking for a while. Do you see what the shape is?
And I'm in a heart.
Yes, it's mean like Ming, I love you.
Can we change the shape?
Yeah, no. It's hard to change the shape. You need some tape or something. But at first you can try with your color. There's the remote, the
Where's
button
the
over there.
remote?
At the corner of the bed. Come down there. Yeah.
Your brother again.
Press the button. Oh. Oh.
Just look on my bed.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, she knew it. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can change the color. Can do different mode.
How do I know?
Yeah, just press it several times. Yeah.
Now this is cool.
Ooh. You like it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Ooh, good. Yeah, you can press several times and it can change the color.
I want purple only.
Okay, then change it. Ooh, so nice. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What would you say?
Thank you.
Okay, I love you.